Hi guys, so I'm going to be doing a HelloFresh review today. I'm going to unbox everything, show you what comes in the packaging, then over the next 4 nights I'm going to cook everything up. Most importantly, do a taste test review and show you what the portion sizes are like. I got it all for $30 something, which is so cheap because I had a $50 discount, which are really easy to come by for your first order if you have a code. But yeah, if you're interested in getting HelloFresh for yourself, keep watching. Okay, so I've got my very first HelloFresh order. Okay, so here are my meals. They come with a recipe card. Okay, so they're all coded by little patterns and colors. And a cool bag. The whole box feels cold though, but I guess this needs to be extra cold. Okay, so I've just set them all out here just to show you what you actually get. So I've got my 7 spice chicken and broccoli, sweet mustard crumb halloumi, easy pulled pork tacos, and then Sichuan garlic beef bowl. Everything else in the bags is going off these color-coded circles, but all of this other stuff was just in the cooler bag together, so you just have to obviously look and see which sauce and meat and extra bits go with what. I found it quite difficult to find the actual ingredients of things, even on the website when I was selecting my meals. But yeah, this is fun. This is fun so far. I was expecting, I don't know, I guess when you look at the picture, it's just carrots and broccoli, but I always add tons of veggies and a variety of things to my meals, but I think it'll taste pretty good. Okay, next one, halloumi. This is fun. This is like opening little show bags. Next we have the easy pulled pork tacos. So that's everything for the easy pulled pork tacos. And finally, the Sichuan garlic beef bowl. Oh, the other important thing is down in the bottom, it says pantry items. So that's what you'll need. So yeah, there's still some things that you need from your pantry. They don't send you everything. Again, I like the look of this one because it's just like more color, more variety.
So even I should be able to do it.
He's gonna try and make the easy pulled pork tacos. I'm already trying to boss him around, like, yeah. Are you sure it's that way? Are you sure you're meant to be doing that now? Are there seeds in there?
I've took the seed out. Alright, I know.
Looks good. Thank you.
It's okay.
Are you proud?
I guess.
And that is the actual portion size. Sorry, I didn't realize he left some in the pan. Pretty big. The tortillas are really nice and soft. So I'm going a step further and I'm just frying it on one side. I guess almost like a tostada. A carranchilla taco. So Dan is making the second meal. Some rice. Someone has to. Like I don't cook for you all the time. We're having the Sichuan garlic beef bowl. You're not meant to be cooking the meat yet. Like you're still preparing the vegetables, but your meat's not on yet. I just feel like the meat and rice take the longest. So like put the rice on, get the meat on, get it frying and browning, then prepare your veggies and chuck them in because you don't want your veggies overcooked. Why would you? I don't understand why you would cook vegetables first.
What I'm told.
Here is his finished product. Looks really good. Pretty good portion again.
Yeah, it's good. Yeah, it's definitely more than enough.
It's like a pretty, solid sized meal for an average person. This one is so good. I know it's half eaten, but it's really, really, really good. He's done an amazing job with this. It's so tasty. I feel like the slight separation of flavors tastes better than... This is better than my chow mein that I make. It's better. Dan is making the halloumi one. I don't remember what it's called. So he's all finished. It looks so good. Very fancy lunch. Well, it's kind of lunch, kind of dinner. It's really, really good. It's like a salad on steroids. Oh, so didn't quite finish it because it's just so salty. The last beef one and this one, everything is just so rich and so salty and oily and fatty that the first few bites you take, it's like, this is delicious, but then it's just way too much salt. So I'm going to cook the final one. 7-spice chicken and broccoli with garlic ginger rice. Just cooking some garlic and ginger in butter, and then I'm going to add water and add the rice. I'm finding I'm making so much mess than if I do cooking myself. Like, there's just so much mess going on. And then it's telling me to take this out and then cook the veggies separately and then combine it at the end, which a lot of the recipes do things like that. And then that's going to be another bowl that I dirty. I must say, it has really, really taught me to cook good rice. I always overcook my rice. This is it. At least it's not as rich as the others because we were so over that. Everything was so rich and so salty and so saucy. This looks a bit more fresh and light. The chicken is really tender because the chicken has a Thai spice seasoning on it, which is kind of a bit zingy, bit sweet, bit salty. It's pretty good. So I hope you enjoyed that video. I hope you got something out of it if you're considering buying HelloFresh. Overall, I did enjoy it. I think the food was really, really tasty. The portions were really, really huge. If you're going to eat the full portion and you're not a highly active person or you're trying to lose weight, then that won't work out very good for you because some of the meals are nearly 1,000 calories and very, very macronutrient dense, so keep that in mind. I feel like for the average people, you could easily split these meals between 3 people or 2 adults and a child, totally easy. Would I buy it again? Considering what the full prices are, no, I wouldn't, but on a discount, I think it's good value. So other than it being expensive, the other downside is that you're forced into a subscription. So you need to remember to cancel that if you're only wanting to use the trial. Very important, otherwise you'll end up with a full priced box showing up on your doorstep. The other downside for me was sodium. Oh my gosh, the meals that I had were so salty. And I really struggled to find the ingredients list on the website, and I struggled to even just find how much sodium they had, but then I did find it and it wasn't much of a surprise. Some meals were over 1 gram per meal. A lot of meals have extra charges in there, so you might see a meal that looks really good, but then it'll be $8 per serving charge on top for something more gourmet, so that's a bit annoying. But overall, I did enjoy the meals and I hope you guys got something out of this. And if you have anything else that you'd like me to review, please let me know because I like doing review videos, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!